Today, we will talk about how to make a missing pet poster. Let's have a look at the details. If your pet goes missing, you should try to find it as quickly as possible. To let people know your pet is lost, and to get the help of your neighbors and community, it is a good idea to make a missing pet poster. A good missing pet poster includes some specific information about you and your pet, as well as a straightforward format that presents the information clearly. The first step is formatting your own missing pet poster. Choose to use a computer or create your poster by hand on paper. An electronic poster is easier to copy and distribute on the internet. On the other hand, a simple paper poster may be easier to make, especially if you don't have access to a computer. Decide on the font and format you will use. Make sure both the font and format are simple and clear. Pick contrasting backgrounds and lettering colors. If you choose white paper, then use very dark font coloring to draw attention. Decide whether you want to put tabs with your phone number on them at the bottom of your poster. If you want to add these tabs, you will need to take them into consideration when you are working on the layout of space on your poster. The second step is creating your own missing pet poster. Find a picture of your pet. A color photo is best, but black and white will work just fine. Be sure that the photo is clear and that it shows any defining physical characteristics of your pet, for instance, distinctive patterning on its fur. Place a large header on the page. It should be at least a couple of inches high and state clearly what it lost. For example, if you lost your dog, it should say, "Lost dog." Place your pet's photo right under the header. It should be the size of a normal photo, around 5 by 7. If you are making a handmade sign, you can simply paste the photo in place. Include important information about your pet. Go straight to the details. People usually don't feel like reading a long paragraph, so making bullet points can work effectively. Include your pet's sex, age, coat length, color, and any collar or tags. Make sure your contact information is clear and to the point. Include your first name and your phone number on the poster. Place it centered near the bottom of your poster in a larger font than the description of your pet. This will allow the average reader to scan the poster quickly and find it. Specify that you will give a reward if you will give one, but don't give an amount. Include a personal plea for help in finding your pet. This is a personal touch that might encourage someone to take action. It doesn't have to be long. It can just simply say, "Please help us find our beloved dog," or something like that. Take your poster to a printer or copy center if you want color copies. Otherwise, you can probably make copies on a home printer. You will want to distribute your poster widely, so make sure to get enough copies made. And the third step is posting your missing pet poster. Talk to your neighbors and give them a copy of the poster. Make sure they know your pet's name and what it looks like. Your neighbors may be your best help if finding your missing loved one. Put up your posters in a 6 to 10 block radius around your neighborhood. Make sure to put some up at local stores, which usually have spots where you can do that. However, be sure to ask before you post your poster. Consider placing your posters at coffee shops, libraries, grocery stores, and high-traffic streets. Post your poster online. Use social media and email to get the word out that your pet is missing. Be prepared for some unhelpful calls. When you put your phone number out in public, you are bound to get some funny calls. If the caller doesn't have any pertinent info on your pet but doesn't want to end the call, just graciously say goodbye and hang up. While you will get some worthless calls, the next call could always be about your lost pet. Make sure you remove the posters once your pet is found. You can, if you like, leave 1 or 2 up, and put the word, "Found," on them in big letters. This will let neighbors know that your pet has been found. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.